is computer? A computer is an electronic device that can process and store data, perform calculations, and execute instructions. It can also connect to networks and communicate with other computers or devices. Computers come in various forms, such as desktop and smartphones, and are used for a wide range of applications, including work, education, entertainment, and communication.
Here is the computer parts and their function. First, the motherboard. A large circuit board contains important parts like the CPU. Second, CPU, or the Central Processing Unit. The brain of the computer processes information and carries out commands.
What is keyboard? Keyboard is to serve as an input device for computers and other electronic devices, allowing user to enter text, number, and special character. Why is important? Because help enhance personal productivity by serving as the primary data input source. The fun fact about keyboard was the QWERTY layout design to prevent jump keys on early typewriters is actually not the most efficient layout for typings. What is mouse? Mouse is a pointing device, a handheld input device used to interact with computer's graphical user interface. Why it is important? Because mouse can select items on the screen and to give instruction to your computer to perform tasks. The fun fact about mouse was invented by Douglas Engelbart in the early 1960s. It was named mouse because the cord attached to the ear resembled a tail.
RAM or random access memory. This is the short-term memory used for calculation data to be cleared when the computer is turned off. Hard drive. Hard drive is provide long-term storage. Newer computers often use solid-state drive for faster and more durable storage.